Picture this. You're driving home one rainy evening, roads slick, visibility low, and you hit a pothole you didn't see. Your car jolts hard. You grip the wheel, and for a moment you think, was that normal? Bouncing, swaying ride? That jolt is the critical suspension warning sign you shouldn't ignore. Welcome to Daily Auto Tips. Your car care starts here. Because what you just felt could be the subtle clue that your suspension, specifically your struts, are wearing out. And ignoring those clues could turn a simple drive into something dangerous. Let's walk together through 7 warning signs that your front or rear struts might be failing. And trust me, the last one will shock you, in the worst way. 1. Bumpy or excessively bouncy ride. If after hitting a bump or pothole your car continues to bounce more than once or twice before settling, that's a red flag. A properly working strut should control the bounce, so the ride feels smooth. 2. Fluid leaks around the struts or shocks. Struts rely on hydraulic fluid to absorb shocks. If you see fluid leaking from the strut body or notice wetness around the wheel wells, that means the internal seal has failed, and the strut is likely no longer performing as designed. 3. Uneven or abnormal tire wear, tire cupping or scalloping. When struts can't keep the car stable and tires don't stay firmly planted on the road, you might notice irregular wear patterns on your tires, like cupping or scalloped tread. That's a sign the suspension isn't doing its job. 4. Nosedive when braking or squat during acceleration. If the front of your car dips sharply when braking, or the rear seems to lower under heavy acceleration, that signals poor damping and weight transfer control. That's a classic sign of worn struts. 5. Body rolls swaying or poor stability in turns. When you hit a corner or change lanes and feel the car leaning or swaying more than it should, that's another sign. Worn struts lose their ability to control body motion, which makes turns feel sloppy or unsafe. 6. Steering problems or vibration or instability. Worn struts can affect steering feel. You might notice a stiff or unsettled steering wheel, vibrations even on smooth roads, or the car feeling unstable. This affects not only ride comfort, it affects safety. 7. Strange noises, clunking, knocking, or metallic banging, the shocker. If you hear knocking, clunking, or metallic sounds when going over bumps, even small ones, that can mean the shock absorber inside the strut has bottomed out, or mounts, attachments are worn. This is often a first, and most serious sign that the strut's internal damping has failed. When and how often you should replace struts. As a guideline, many shocks or struts wear out somewhere around 50,000 to 100,000 miles under normal driving conditions. Because wear is gradual, you may not notice. So consider having them inspected around that mileage, or sooner if you often drive on rough roads or carry heavy loads. If any of the 7 signs above appear, that's a clear signal to act, not ignore. And if you replace one strut, front or rear, it's good practice to replace the matching strut on the opposite side to maintain balanced handling. You rely on your car, maybe to get to work, or to make day-to-day life easier. I want you to feel safe behind the wheel, not ignore subtle signs until they become dangerous. Suspension issues often start small, a bump here, a wobble there, but if left unchecked, they can turn into bigger safety problems. Poor braking, unpredictable handling, and increased wear on other suspension parts. If any of those signs resonate, bouncing ride, strange noises, uneven tire wear, or steering issues, take a moment to check your suspension or have a trusted mechanic give it a look. It's a simple step that could save you from bigger trouble and keep your ride smooth, safe, and dependable. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you liked the contents.